YouTube. Big package, as you can see right here. Let's open this up right now. Excuse the mess. I'm in my parts room. There's more parts over there. Okay, open up the box. This is the front lip. The front lip for the Taurus. This is actually for the Mustang Cobra, the 2003. And it fits. It has all the holes buttoned into them. Only thing I do is just put it onto the bumper, drill out the measured holes, and use the fasteners to install it. Let me show what the fasteners look like. There's all the fasteners right here. Just the rubber fittings, the washers, and the screws. And that's the lip itself. The thing about this, if you're going to put this on a Taurus, is they're going to be a little long. So you're going to have to probably cut off maybe that much off of each end. So it'll fit exactly with the bumper. But outside of that, that's it. I'll be waiting on the bumper itself. I ordered that yesterday. It should be here in a few days. Hopefully by early next week. And what I'm going to do is, the bumper's already primered and ready for paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this, measure the holes onto the bumper, drill it out, make sure to test fit this lip with the bumper, but I'm not going to attach it. I'm going to leave that off until I paint it. And then I'm going to put the driving lights and the lip on. Then I'm going to install the bumper with the lip and everything installed as one piece. And that's it. More unboxing videos coming. Until then, I see you.